Good morning again, my friends. Erica here from Highway 49 RC. If you haven't seen this series yet, we are rebuilding my backyard rock crawling course, as you can see here behind me, and all the way over there. That's all the space I've got to use, and the last two episodes we've basically been clearing everything out, getting everything ready for building new stuff on. So what we're going to be doing today basically is just moving all of the vines and stuff that I pulled out into a single pile and just kind of clearing everything off, getting everything cleaned and ready to be built on. Then what I'm going to have you guys do is tell me what sorts of obstacles you want put back, and I will be making a video telling you guys what all the materials that I have to work with and what you guys have to work with like next weekend sometime. So stay tuned for that, and let's get to work. Alright, you guys don't even know how exhausted I am, but this half here of the course is done, pretty much. It's ready to be built on. I raked everything off the top there, down to here, shoveled all that out with the wheelbarrow, and I figured it would be a good time to stop because we need a new wheelbarrow. It broke literally on my last load of this half. I figure, well, alright. And plus I was using it with no rubber on the wheel because that was flat, so I just cut it off. I'm like, well, alright, whatever. So I can get way more into here than I can in my wagon right here, so that's that. Good and clean. It's ready to be built on, which I'm happy about. Of course, there's all this crap to clean up, but I mean, that's whatever, so it's pretty much ready to go. Still some junk around, but whatever. None of this stuff will grow back because this has been clear for like years. Up here though, we'll see. Might pull some more out if I can, or I don't know, till it up a little bit, because that's what I did with the other half. Is I would shovel in and then like turn it to kind of cut all the roots, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that with this, but we'll see. Up here, all clean, raked. Down to here, which is all cleaned out too. Everything's cleaned up over here. This top section, I didn't really clean up too much, just because it's kind of annoying too, and a little more difficult than other areas. Got some more stuff down in these pits that I need to clean out, but I'm not going to do that today because I'm exhausted and I need to rest a little bit since I practice tomorrow. Yeah, more here, more there, more there, more over there. But other than those little spots, that should be good to go. So, little lizard over there. Alright. That's gonna be it for me today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below. Sorry, trees are getting in my face. Alright, there we go. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, all that good stuff, you know, as usual. I guess, I don't know. Yeah, that's about all I have to say. I'm just so tired right now. I'm gonna go take a shower. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Hive49_RC, and tune in next week so you guys can see what all you guys have to work with to design something for my course, and you know what all I'm looking into. So thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all next time.